So the shishi-nabe, wild boar nabe, hot pot is done. Oh, karimasu. So where are they? Oh, so beautiful. I just taste a little bit. Oh, it's so tender. Please enjoy. Come to Gifu, Okumino, northern part of Japan, northern part of Gifu prefecture. When you're coming to Japan, over to Japan next time, and I believe that was nice. And for those who don't know me, I am Shuji Ozeki. My name is Shuji Ozeki. I fly to Europe, America, Australia to do Aikido and also to do cooking with the wherever I'm needed. So also offer cooking classes to people from overseas and of course from Japan. And please do watch my videos, cooking videos inside, outdoors, by the sea. I haven't done that one yet. Maybe Sydney in Australia next time I come to Sydney. And so please do watch my videos. I have lots of cooking videos, outdoor, indoor, overseas, Europe, America, Australia.